What's up, everyone? How's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. So today in this video, I want to talk to you about HBAR and how HBAR is, preparing for the future. Some key metrics to support their growth. We're going to look at those as well, and give you some very surprising values in regards to developer activity and transaction volume that HBAR is bringing to the table. Before we get into it, though, please remember to hit the like button. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, and let's get into our video. All right, so HBAR in numbers. So let's have a look at the metrics, and yeah, this is a really good summary of what HBAR does. Kudos to I think it was BSC News for posting this article. So, unraveling Hedra's unique offerings. So, how is it unique? So, they have a rich assortment of APIs and empowers users to create accounts, handle HBARs, execute smart contracts, store file hashes, and interact with the ledger, among numerous other functionalities. They also support various programming languages. So the hash graph consensus is something that's unique to HBAR. So its efficiency shines through its ability to achieve consensus without sending votes or detailed information across the network, circumventing potential bottlenecks and delays. So speed and efficiency, right? That's awesome. So they also have a governing council. They're comprised of an eclectic elected group of leading global organizations committed to steering the course of the public network with 39 distinguished entities spanning 18 diverse industries and geographies. They have a pivotal role in critical decision making, including software updates, network audits, treasury management, and more, each member carrying equal voting rights and responsibilities. They also have a path towards decentralization. So their journey towards decentralization is rooted in its proof of stake public distributed ledger that's driven by a commitment to maintaining network security and achieving full decentralization. So let's have a glimpse at some of their metrics. Some of them are pretty darn impressive, to be honest with you. Um, so active developers, I'm always tracking, the development on networks. I know Cardano was number one back in September. I'm waiting to see what October is going to bring. But HBAR is up there, definitely. The count stood at 156 developers, comprising of 62 full-time, 77 part-time, and 17 one-time developers as of the 1st of October. So we can see here, this from 2018, 2020, 2022. Obviously, this will be around 2023, 2024 is coming up. Full time. So we can see a number of part time developers is definitely up there, as well as their full time developers is also increasing steadily, right? We're seeing an upwards momentum there. Well, that is great because, you know, blockchains don't continue to evolve unless you are always working and, making things better, obviously, right? Updates, all that good stuff. So transactions, the Hedera mainnet has marked significant milestones, surpassing 25.12 billion transactions on October 25th. So that is a massive figure. Over the last month, Hedera has consistently, processed an average of 120 million daily transactions. 120 million daily transactions. That's very significant. Their active accounts is also increasing. Hedera has been witnessing a steady influx of daily account creations, averaging around 1,000 over the last 30 days. So there was a recent peak of 27,683 accounts on October 13th, created in a single day, and that marked a 3-month high for Hedera. Revenue. So their revenue is primarily generated from network transaction fees, as most blockchains are. They exhibited robust growth, achieving a remarkable 30% increase quarter over quarter, and surpassed the $1 million threshold for the first time. We can see here the revenue is in the green, and revenue US dollars, sorry, and then revenue for in HBAR is also in that color there. I believe it's blue or teal or something. So staking is very, very important. It shows that people have conviction in what they're purchasing. They're choosing to hold it long term. It shows support, and it's very important, right? So it's currently amounting to $32 million, excluding liquid staking. So this marks a substantial 48% increase since June the 2nd. That is awesome. Their DEX trading volume has also, in the third quarter, average daily DEX volume amounted to $500,000, $500,000, signifying a 16% increase from the previous quarter. So Hedera has all the numbers. Things are going well for them. Um, I'll be interested to see what happens in the next move up for Bitcoin. I believe projects like this that are continuing to build and always adding value to the blockchain. I think they're going to do very well when it comes to our next bull run and our bull market. Hopefully, we'll see one after the Bitcoin halving there next year in 2024. It does, obviously there's a lot of factors that go into play there, and also, we're waiting on the Bitcoin ETF, which could help push the market up as well. We have seen a number of projects running here in the last week, just in anticipation of Bitcoin's ETF being approved. So we'll keep tabs on this for you guys. I just wanted to give you some information on HBAR in case you're, wondering what it does and how well it's going. I didn't realize how big their numbers are. Like they are actually pulling in a lot of volume. And yeah, it's great to see. That's awesome. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.